Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Ford Focus SE hatchback, stock number B9522P. 40,000 miles on this Focus. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, sterling gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Pages with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And very clean under the hood, as you can see. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 37 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Focus, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.